Hello guys, today we'll be talking about how to run Facebook and Instagram ads using the Meta Business Suite. For this one, your Facebook and Instagram are have to be linked together on the same account, and you have to have the Meta Business Suite app on your phone. Now, this is mostly for Android users because iPhone users might not be able to access it because of the 25% that Apple charges on ads on their phone. So now if you have an Android phone, you can use this option. So if you know that you have an iPhone, I'm considering you getting an Android phone if you want to be able to run ads effectively. Now I'm going to be using my account to teach you guys on how you can, on this platform, you can actually do a lot of things for your business. You can post your reels, so you can schedule your reels on this platform. If, for example, you want to batch create content, you can add stories, you can advertise, you can add media on this platform. So it's a very useful. You can check your comments and messages from both Instagram and Facebook at the same time on this app. So it's a very must tool for you as a business owner to have this app on your phone. It's a very must tool for you. So this is the last ad I ran, and you can see, okay, so you can see everything that you can see on this app. I don't really run much ads on this account because I have other accounts I used to run ads. So this is an account I want to use to show you to practice, because this is my personal Facebook account. I don't run ads on it. I have a business account which I used to run ads for my business. So but I want to show you how to use it because it is more simpler to show you from this account than using any other account that you resonate with you, because it looks like your own kind of account. So it's easier for you to understand. So now the first thing you need to do is that you come to advertise. That's the way you come, as you come to because the other account I think was not showing this thing at the first onset, but I observed that new account they show it at the first page because they want you to advertise more. So they always put that at the front of you. So you click on advertise. Okay, now you click on post. You want to advertise it from Facebook or it's Instagram. So you can click on, for example, I want to advertise the content from Facebook. Okay, so what I just do is I just click on Facebook and I click on the content I wish to use. For example, I want to use this content. Then it will ask me, it will show me a preview of how my ad is going to look like on Facebook. You see it, this is how it's going to look like. Okay, so I can continue. Like I said before, if you have watched the Instagram video, you see that, okay, get more messages, you know what it means. So get more messages for you to people to message you more. You can use Instagram, Facebook, or any other any of the three social media that Meta owns for the message option. You can use get more engagement to get more likes, comments, reactions, saves. You can use get more leads to use a form to collect information data for your potential customers. For example, you want to run a pre-sale and you don't want to sell it to them now, so you can use leads to collect their data. You can get more calls, which is mean that you want them to call you more. For now, for this one, I'm going to get more messages because that's what my option is. So which I'm going to pick which one I want to use. I can use my WhatsApp. I can use my Instagram, but I'm going to use my Instagram for this ad. So the next thing is that you can set your welcome message. Please let us know. You can set it here. That's why I said this is more advanced. Yes, you can put the person who is the user name. You say hi, please let us know what we can help you with. So for example, you can say hi, please let us know which bag you like to buy, which shoe you want to buy. So this thing makes it personalized. So before you even reply the message, your Facebook has already sent a message on your behalf. You get the point now. So, and you can also input other questions that your people might likely want to ask. So you can input them here so that in case they ask those questions, the bot will know what to answer to it. It's just like you having a personal assistant that helps you answer your messages before time. Okay, so the next thing is this ad creative. So you just leave it on, then you choose your audience. You can use Advantage Plus, which is making use of Facebook AI to know your particular business people that is good for your business, or you can come to set your own audience. Like now, the reason why I use this account is because I want to show you guys that ad set I created on Instagram can also show here. Okay, and I can even make it better here. You get the point now. I can actually make it better in this particular place. So everything I said is there. I have more access to more interest in this particular space. You see that I can add all these ones to it. I can add all these ones to it. So I have more interest, and I can even pick from, let's say for example I go to a particular industry and pick, maybe I want people from real estate, so I can go back, and I want people from, maybe I want family and relationship. So let me say mother, marriage, motherhood, because motherhood we want to buy clothes for our children. So the parenting, if I sell clothes for children, you get the point now. So these are things that I can go to shopping, I can see beauty, and I can select more options. Yeah, are you seeing it now? I have more access to more options from this menu. I have access to, I can see jewelry, handbags, dresses, and stuff like that. So I can actually set more options here for my business. So when I'm done, I can click on save and I go back. So all these things will automatically be added. I can say okay, my gender is all, and I click on save. Automatically everything will come back to in sync. So what is this that you say here? His next place is called placement. Placement, I've talked about audience. Audience is interest before now, which is knowing people that will likely want to buy from your business, targeting what your business is about, so that if Facebook can know where to categorize your ads to. For example, you sell jewelry, you know that okay, this person sells jewelry, this person sells clothes. So this is the thing why audience is important. So after you are done with your audience, you go to the next stage. Now, first of all, if you are using this ad here, Facebook is linked, so you can unlink. You have to choose one. So if for example I can choose to make this ad show on Messenger, I can make this ad show on Instagram and Facebook at the same time. But for here, I just want the ad to show on Instagram, so I just click on only Instagram. If I want it to show on Facebook, I'll click on, I'll check Facebook. So that's how it is. So your ad will only show on that particular platform it is. So now Facebook is giving me that 30/70 is the best budget I can go for. So I will get up to 2 to 13 replies, and I'm going to reach 3.3k people to 9.6k people. So if I know that I can't afford this, I can actually reduce it lower. So let me say 1,800, but just that they might not give me an option of people that I might reach. But with that 3,500, I might get options on people that might message me, but it's not always the case most times. Okay, so you can come here and say what do you want your ad to place now. So what do you want to, how many days do you want to run your ads? Let's say for 4 days. So that's how your ads is going to run for 4 days. Then you click on reduce it to, maybe I want it my for 2 days, but they always advise you run your ads for 4 days to get better results. So you can, the same funding process we did the last time, click on here, you come here, put your amount, and just like that, the same thing with Facebook, Instagram ads. I always advise you watch the Instagram video before coming here, because I will talk about how to fund from this setup. So when you are done with that, you click on continue. You click on continue, and you are done. So you 3,500. So you see the amount you will pay at the end bottom here, which is 15,000 naira. You pay your 15,000 and click on boost post, and your post is live. You can use this method to run ads for Facebook and Instagram. I recommend you using this platform because it's best and it's okay for both Facebook and Instagram ads, and you have more options and more control here. Okay, so if there's more any questions or options, you can send me a DM and I'll be willing to reply your messages. See you.